All right, so today we're going to talk about Maytag laundry, specifically dryers, and why you might want to choose a Maytag and how to choose the right Maytag for you personally. So Maytag has a long reputation for doing great laundry. It's affiliated with the Whirlpool Corporation now. They're all made here in America. They have a great track record in terms of laundry as far as that goes. Now, if you start looking at their laundry lineup, there's a lot of different models, and it may seem like you may not know all the differences between some of them, but a couple key features to look for that Maytag's really been known for the past few years. One of is this extra power function. So extra power is a pretty neat idea. So a lot of dryers today are going to have a moisture sensor inside of the drum. It senses the moisture level, and then it will kick the dryer off once it determines that the clothes are dry. If you just hit that extra power button, it'll light up and you'll know it's active. At the end of the cycle, or what would typically be the end of the cycle when the dryer sensor senses everything is dry, it'll run for an additional 15 minutes beyond that point. It's a really simple idea, but if you're doing your heavy bulky loads of towels and comforters, things like that, it can help get the center dry, so when you come down, you're not flipping things out and restarting the dryer for the second time. So that is something that's kind of unique to the Maytag units, and then we're going to slide down 2 units here. This is the Maytag Pet Pro. You'll notice that this one does not have extra power on it, but what it does have is Pet Pro. So Maytag, maybe a year ago or so, maybe 2 now, launched these Pet Pro functions, and the washer and dryer will have different kind of features in it. Pet Pro on this is really simple. You activate it, same idea once the dryer cycle is finished, it will actually kick on a no heat tumble for about 45 minutes. So it's not actually running the heating element, it's just you'll get a little bit of steam and then no heat, and it's going to reduce that static cling and allow all of the pet hair to fall off of your clothes into your lint trap. So that, when you pair it with the washer, you're going to reduce about 40 to 50% more pet hair than the other comparable washers on the market. So other things you can maybe look at there, they do have some more basic ones. We're not going to have the dryer sensor. So if you're looking for something simple where you just have a time dry, that exists. Little things, maybe where you want to have your lint trap, whether it's here on top or the other unit we just looked at actually has it on the inside of the unit down here, located right there. And then that's another thing too, and that's something I've never really thought about until I was in the business. I guess I've been doing this for 15 years now, but drop down door versus swing door. So sometimes depending on your area. So those are all little things. Maytag's one of the few that still offer a drop door, and it works better in a smaller area. But yeah, Maytag dryers are always a great option. You should check them out next time you're in the market for one.